Hello, hello, beautiful morning in Amed. A lot of jukongs actually today, and everyone is sailing, probably training for the next race. Yesterday I saw one in Gemelok as well, so all the villages trying to do all these races, just simply to attract themselves and keep life a little bit more interesting than usually. We going to do some dives today, so we have one dive in Ghost Bay, and then probably in the afternoon we're gonna do a Liberty as well. We'll see how the things will go, but stay tuned. See you later. Today only one dive. We'll see, maybe we will have another one in Liberty, right? But still have no clear understanding will be or not. But the dive was really good. Nothing really extraordinary, like nothing really special. I mean, the sharks and molas, but the reef by itself is really interesting, and it's always cool to do some technical dives there. A lovely place, and we really enjoyed that. Warongmade construction is going on. It's in progress. So now they start building walls. Probably I can pass. Ah, hi Keter. Liberty wreck again. We're gonna do two dives. Now it's an afternoon dive around 4 p.m. We're going out, and then we will do the night dive as well. Things goes a little bit unexpected, but great. Let's do it. first dive done. We'll go back to Amed, we'll eat, and then we will go for the night dive. As I always been telling, the best night dives I ever had, doesn't matter where in the world, the best is always been Liberty Wreck. I'm looking forward for another maybe better place, but at the moment it's still the same, Liberty. It was absolutely incredible night dive. The Liberty Wreck during the night dive is Liberty Wreck. It's always really interesting, but today it was absolutely, we started a little bit later than usually we start. Usually we start about between 6:30 and 7. Well, today we started around 9 p.m. just because that guys arrived from Lovina and they needed the time to a little bit rest. And 8, so after the first dive we returned back to Amed, which we usually don't do, just to simply save a time. But this time we returned, we took like we finished the dive around 6, the first one, and then yeah, we returned around 9, so 3 hours later. It was absolutely amazing. It's really worth to do these dives a little bit later than usually, because first of all you will be absolutely alone, because mostly all the people do night dives there around 6, 7. Well, we did night 9. Amazing. All right, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you on the next video again. Bye.